Hi, I'm Karen, and welcome to today's After School Tech Tip with the Tips team. Today we're going to take a look at using custom certificates created through Autocrat. First, we need to create a template. Whatever kind of certificate you want to generate, best would be to use Google Slides. There's lots of options for adding nice graphics, for lining them up perfectly just the way you like. Next, we want to be able to build a class list. This class list will help us in our merging tags. And finally, those merge tags are how we get the data from the spreadsheet into the template for all the kids with one click. In this example of a Google Sheets template for a certificate, we could edit this individually, making one digital document per student, but in this case, we're going to do that with one click, as opposed to opening each document. So where it says type student name here, we want to be able to automate that. We can also automate anything else on this template we choose, so long as we assign merge tags to that data. In this case, I've edited the template so it prints a little better, and I've added a merge tag in the place of student name. By using those special kinds of keystrokes, we're able to tell Autocrat that that's where we want merge data to go. Here I am in Google Sheets. This is where I've pasted my class list first names, and the title of that column is the same name as what we put as the merge tag. It's got to be identical. We could add more columns and have more titles and have more merge data. But for the purposes of this video, we're just looking at first name. Next, I'm going to go to extensions, and I'm going to find the extension Autocrat and click Launch. If you don't see extensions, you can go up to the top of the extensions menu to add-ons and choose Get Add-ons. Once we launch Autocrat, what we're going to get is a working menu inside Google Sheets, because this is a Google Sheets add-on. What we need Autocrat to do is read both our template as well as our sheet so it knows how to merge the data properly. We're going to create a new job, and in that new job, we're going to title this one Class Awards. Next, we're going to be prompted to choose a template from our Google Drive. We can use Docs or Slides. So in this case, I'm typing my slide name into the search bar so that I can find the one I'm looking for. Once the template is selected, we can click Next, and we're on to the next step where Autocrat looks for those merge tags. We want to make sure that they're mapped correctly, that the column name matches the merge tag. If it doesn't look correct, we need to make sure that we've selected the right sheet from the bottom if there's more than one sheet, like in this case, as well as made sure we know where the tags are. You can choose to name your output files anything you like, and that can include merge tags. So I'm going to call this Award, and then I'm going to put the student name merged even in the title of this file. The type that I've selected is Google Slides, but we can change it to PDF as well. So now when I move forward, my output file will be a PDF. You can choose where you want to save all of your generated separate documents. You can create a file in your folder in your Google Drive and then choose to place those there. The folder I'm choosing is called Awards. I want to confirm that it connects, and now we can move on to the next step. We don't have to do all of these steps in Autocrat. We don't have merge conditions. We're not receiving information from a form. We don't need to share these because we're going to share them directly with students. We don't need any job triggers because we're not doing this time. We don't have extra information coming in. Once we've saved that job and everything looks tickety-boo, now we're ready to push play and run the job. If things get a little messy along the way, the help guide is built right into this window on the bottom left-hand corner. We can view the details of this job so we can see how it should be set up so our merge tags work. You can see that Autocrat is already editing our spreadsheet to make sure the titles of what we're going to make are there. Now we can push play and let the job run. After a few moments, our job is completed. We have our variety of columns that Autocrat made, including the document merge URL, as well as a link to it so that we could cut and paste really easily, and all the information about the job. We want to go to our Google Drive and be able to find the folder of all of those files. Under Awards, where I put them, here's all the files, and the student name is even in the title. When I open it, no more merge tags. but rather our student name where it needs to be. So using the Shift key as well as the period and comma button, you can put data in between those merge tags to merge any kind of data from a spreadsheet into a Google Doc or slide. Thanks for joining me for another After School Tech Tip. See you next time.